Good afternoon. Welcome to your channel as an Infotech Behaviors. Today we are going to discuss how to select data by mouse clicking in Amazon. Amazon में माउस क्लिक करके हम डेटा कैसे सेलेक्ट करें? By selecting the data by mouse dragging is already known to all of us, and most of the users are selecting data by mouse dragging. But it is also possible to select data by mouse clicking. You can select a word, you can select a paragraph, you can select the complete document. It's an interesting feature of MS Word. Then today we are going to discuss the same. Okay, let's start. To select a word, double click on that. To select a sentence, hold down the Control key and click on the sentence. To select a line, just click on the left margin of the particular line. Now the complete line will be selected. To select a block of text, click on the starting point, hold down the Shift key, then click at the end point. The particular block will be selected. To select a paragraph, double-click on the left margin of the particular paragraph. To select the entire document, triple click on the left margin. Thank you for being with us. Thank you.